About 25 years ago, I used to have a company called Robinson Custom Airbrushing. We painted car tags, t-shirts, hats, signs, buses, vans, cars. Whatever the customer wanted painted, that's what we did. So, had a bunch of car tags left over in the garage. Been sitting there for almost, 22 years. So I figured, why not get them out, do a little decorating with them, and go from there. I said, why not? So anyway, we airbrushed for about 5-6 years. Then things slowed down and things changed, so I decided to go ahead and close up shop. So I still got several demo pieces that I kept, and maybe later on I'll post some pictures of those. But these are all car tags, and just painted a little time, and thought I'd spruce up the trailer and my grass catcher can a little bit, because like I say, why not? I'm not saving them for anything in particular, and I can always paint more. I still got my airbrushes and my compressors and everything, and I figure one day after the kids are done with college and everything and life slows down a little bit, maybe I'll get back into airbrushing. You never know. But I do know that if you do something that you love for money, it kind of sours the milk. So the next time I get into it, it'll be strictly for my pleasure and not trying to pay bills with it.